Hello everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my eBay train set I got. So I don't know too much about HO scale, but I have been watching lots and lots of videos about it, and I've noticed that, in smaller scale, which means I can fit it in more spaces, which I had an O scale Lionel train set, but I had a 4x8 table for that, and it's been hard to find a place for it, and I got rid of that layout about 4 years ago, but I still have the train. But now watching all the train stuff I've been watching the last year or two, I've wanted to get back into the hobby, but I've noticed that HO scale is a lot smaller, which could help me building a layout and stuff. So this is the first thing I got. So these two pieces came in a little envelope I got, so I don't know what that's for. It's probably for something in the box. So I got an HO scale lifelike train set. It's the Campbell soup one, and this is some old, how was this printed? I don't know, but it was printed pretty long ago. I don't know, probably tell me on the inside, but alright. So having a Lionel train set was fun. Like, it's for Christmas trees, I've had that, but I can also back in, I used to have a HO scale train, but I didn't have track or anything for it. I found it at Goodwill, and when I think it was 9 or 10, I just thought that maybe I could use it on my O scale, but it didn't work, so. And the person who said this said this was a used train set that hasn't been touched since 2006. And it comes in the original box. Like, this was the box that came in when they got it. Weird. Whoa, would you look at that? What is this? 1982. Limited edition. That's pretty cool. Comes with the power supply, track, and I think multiple train cars. It only showed, there's a little bit of signs and a bit of this. Alright, let's get unboxing all of it. First we got the Campbell soup locomotive. I don't know too much about engines or any technical terms or the names or types of engines, so I think this is an FE unit, if I'm not too surprised, and it looks like that styrofoam's a bit cracked, but look at that. Looks nice. The couplers are all there. I think these are, I know these are just like the older ones, because I know Bachmann have the Easy Make couplers, so there's that. I'm gonna put, then next we have Chunky Soup. Let's see what is it? Yeah, that's the Chunky Soup boxcar. Like this is falling off so this side looks good. I think this side might be the mess up, or maybe it's, no, I think they both look good. That one just fell off the track. So I have the lifelike caboose. Yeah, caboose Campbell's. That piece. These are all plastic wheels, plastic everything. Couplers, everything looks to be working on this. So, like that. Now I'm looking at all of this. You can get some signs about Campbell soup ones. That's pretty cool. And we got a couple pieces of a couple rail joiners, and we have some extra couplers. So that's really cool. So let me put those over there. And we got track. I'm pretty sure this is steel, because let's see on here. Yeah, it's steel. All right. I mean, I can go get a magnet and test it, but I'm pretty sure of that. So we got, I think, got 12 18-inch curves, because you can see it's on this. It says 18-inch reroller, so that's definitely what we got here. And they all got their rail joiners, I think. Oh, we can check that after. And ooh, we got straight track. I did not see that. And I think this is, because if this is dated 1982, then this is probably steel track, because I don't think nickel silver was a thing. We got the power supply. That. Look at that. So, alright, let's put that over there. Now we got the rest of the cards. Let's see. Let's get this one. You got lifelet, we got beans. You got a hopper. It's a pretty small hopper, but it feels pretty high. I think these are all weighted. I hope they all are. So next we got the Life Flake. This looks like the tanker car. Oh, look in really good shape. Looks like there's a bit of hot glue right here. Looks like maybe the wheel fell off, and maybe the connection for this may have broken off. But next we got, ooh, this is heavier than the other one. Franco America's Spaghettios Boxcar. This one feels a lot heavier than the other ones I've gotten. Yeah, there's a nice plate in there. A little weight plate, so that's good. I like the detail on it. It's probably one of the nicer ones we have, because this one looks brand new compared to every single one. I don't see anything wrong with this one, so that's great. Now we got the two 50-footer ones, or I think that's what they're called, because it's just 50-inch. But I don't know the terminology of these or anything. So it's some Swanson picking butt car. This one's, I like the 50-footers because, or 50-inchers, whatever they're called, because they're just like, I guess compared to a normal 40-inch one, they just look more realistic. So that's kind of what I like. So that one, and last one. We got another Campbell soup 50-footer, 50-incher box per car. I'm gonna go 50-footer because that's how thick they are. So it's about the same as the other one, but just different paint and different logos on it. So I think that's cool. Put that there. And in the bottom we have sheet 1982. That's confirmed. Then we have a Lifelike registration card. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put this and box out of our way. So I got rid of all of the the instruction cards and everything, and this is everything I got. This was all $70 plus shipping, like that shipping included. So I think I got a pretty good deal on this, because when I go back on eBay and look at it, I'm seeing ones that go for 70 plus like $20 shipping. So I think this is all good. I really doubt this is gonna run, because they said it's been sitting since 2006, but I mean, I watch a lot of SMT, so I see him restore a bunch of stuff. So that's how I'm been kind of assessing this, but the contacts don't look too crazy. And judging by 1982, this is probably a pancake motor, because I've seen him work on one similar to this. And steel track, yeah, that probably means everything. So let's get this set up and see if this works. All right, so we've got the track set up here. I put it on this cardboard bottom because I've heard that you don't want to run at least open track like this. If it's like Bachmann easy, I think you'll be fine. But if it's not Bachmann, or it doesn't have a plastic bomb on it, you need to put something over it so the engine doesn't suck up cardboard. So let's put the engine on. Some power. Oh, he's trying. I mean, it's not bad. Low speed. Not that good. Alright, let's throw the cars behind it and see how it looks. We got the locomotive set up with all 7 cars. I think without the high speed on it, I think it's good. This is one of the lowest speeds that we go. Alright, well, that is the review of my Campbell soup train set. For being my first HO scale, I'm really happy with it, considering that it wasn't even advertised as running. Like, the guy didn't even test it, and I'm probably happy he didn't test it. If you want to see more reviews like this, just click my YouTube channel, and I should have more posted. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later.